cook is a veritable physician. The cook is like a great musician who creates a serenade, a rondo, a march, an allegro, or a lullaby with just one scale of 5 notes. The cook resembles a flutist who draws a pure and passionate melody from a little tube of bamboo. But above all, the cook is a poet, like Whitman, Verlaine, Rodenbach, Mallarme, or Pierre Louys. The poems are simple, full of silence, comprehensible, extremely profound and symbolic, and of everyone finds a different meaning. Moreover, there are some cook artists who understand the complete significance and the superiority of macrobiotic cooking, a way of preparing food that gives not only health but also eternal joy. Not only just a feeling, but in the long run, a sensitivity for absolute justice. Cooking is more than food, it is art, science, and poetry. Every dish, every movement, every choice matters. Respect your hands, your ingredients, your creativity. Observe, experiment, feel, and let the joy of creation guide